Hello, Physics Nation. My name is Nate Larmond, and I'd like to do a Khan Academy problem from a set that's called Average Velocity and Average Speed with Direction Changes, Word Problems. So here's our setup. As shown in the figure below, a squirrel is looking for nuts. It first runs rightward 3 meters and runs leftwards another 10 meters to a second nut, and then runs 3 meters leftward to a third nut. The total time spent running was 12 seconds. So these gray arrows are called displacement vectors. Here's the first one. So we go 3 meters to the right, or you could say positive x. I use the traditional frame of reference where, whoops, sorry about that, to the right is positive x and up is positive y. Anyway, this is called tip-to-tail vector addition. The second vector starts at the end of the first. So here's the end of the first, and technically it should be here, like right on top of it. What did they say? Anti-parallel. But Khan has done the traditional simplification where it's just shifted or translated down here. So here's the second one going negative 10 meters. And then you start the third at the end of the second, another negative 3 meters. So they want us to find the average velocity. Pardon my scrolling. Whoops. Pardon my scrolling. We're after the average velocity and the average speed. So velocity is displacement over time. The sign matters. Velocity is a vector quantity, and so is displacement. So positive 3 plus negative 10 plus negative 3, well, the negative 3 and the positive 3 cancel out. So 10 divided by, negative 10 divided by 12 is negative 0.8 meters per second, which is pretty slow. The speed is, think of it like how far the squirrel's legs have actually taken it. So speed is distance over time. Distance is a scalar quantity. Direction doesn't matter. So think of it, like I said, as the energy required that the squirrel actually has to spend to do all this moving. So 3 plus 10 plus another 3 is 16. 16 divided by 12, right, is 1 1/3, 1.33 meters per second, which is not that fast for a squirrel. Humans' walking pace is about 1 meter per second. So there you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.